The Krabi-class offshore patrol vessels represent a significant milestone in the modernization of the Royal Thai Navy and provide a fascinating lens into Thailand's evolving maritime security strategy, domestic shipbuilding capability, and vision of sovereign maritime enforcement. A detailed review of the Krabi-class requires not just discussing specifications but also narrating the design philosophy, operational logic, tactical capability, and broader geopolitical implications these two ships bring to Thailand's defense posture. The Krabi-class, consisting of HTMS Krabi and HTMS Prachuap Khiri, originated from the British River-class OPV concept, but Thailand chose not to simply import ships. Instead, it sought technology transfer and local construction competency. The vessels were built at Mahidol Adulyadej Naval Dockyard, a decision that demonstrates Thailand's ambition to reduce dependency on foreign naval manufacturing and increase internal shipbuilding expertise. Their construction included cooperation with BAE Systems for technical support, while a large part of the assembly and integration was done locally, enabling Thailand to master vessel systems installation, hull fabrication, and systems maintenance. This strategy created not only warships, but also a foundation for an independent naval industrial ecosystem. The Krabi-class OPV is designed primarily for patrol, low-intensity conflict response, maritime policing, and national resource protection rather than high-intensity naval combat. With a displacement of roughly 1,960 tons and a length of 90.5 meters, these ships are optimized for endurance and fuel efficiency rather than raw combat power. They are capable of remaining at sea continuously for up to 35 days, and that endurance is critical for policing Thailand's exclusive economic zone, an area that extends 200 nautical miles offshore and is rich in fisheries, oil reserves, gas fields, and economic shipping lanes. Maritime security in this region is not merely about defending against hostile navies but about preventing smuggling, deterring piracy, restricting illegal fishing, guarding resource extraction platforms, and responding to emergencies at sea. The Krabi-class performs these tasks with efficiency, reliability, and sustainability. One of the notable features of the Krabi-class is that they adhere to a philosophy of modular potential. While presently configured as patrol-orientated ships, their hull and deck structure support upgrades, including guided missile systems if required in the future. At present, the central armament consists of the OTO Melara 76mm naval gun mounted on the bow, a widely trusted automatic cannon system with multi-mission naval functionality that includes anti-surface, anti-air, and limited anti-missile capability. In addition, the ships are equipped with 30mm automatic cannons and several machine gun mounts for closer range engagements. These weapons enable the ships to deter and disable smaller hostile or illegal vessels, such as pirate boats, traffickers, or foreign fishing vessels entering Thai waters without authorization. While the Krabi-class is not a missile-equipped strike warship, Thailand has examined possibilities for integrating surface-to-surface or surface-to-air missile systems. This may include lighter anti-ship missiles, short-range defense missile turrets, or other modular weapons. The reason these capabilities are not yet fitted relates to how Thailand defines mission priority. In a region where naval competition is less about fleet confrontation and more about law enforcement in semi-contested maritime zones, it is economically wiser to deploy OPVs rather than frigates or corvettes for routine patrol. This means the Krabi-class operates as the visible maritime presence of Thai sovereignty, a floating law enforcement platform, a humanitarian support vessel, and a deterrent instrument. The sensor suite of the Krabi-class is equally important. Equipped with Kelvin Hughes radar systems and electro-optical monitoring systems, the ships possess robust maritime domain awareness. They can track multiple surface contacts, identify commercial vessels, monitor maritime traffic, and observe small object movements such as fishing boats or fast boats used for smuggling or narcotics transport. The surveillance systems are crucial because the ships must distinguish between lawful commercial traffic, suspicious activity, harmless fishermen, and high-risk threats. The radar and optical systems enable the vessels to build a complete maritime picture, which can be shared via communication channels to Thai Naval Command, Maritime Police, and Coast Guard units. The Krabi-class also features a flight deck and hangar facilities allowing helicopter operations. Aircraft like the Airbus H145M and AS365 Dauphin can be deployed from these ships to perform reconnaissance, medical evacuation, and rapid response tasks. Helicopters dramatically extend the ship's surveillance reach beyond the horizon and allow them to quickly approach vessels of interest. UAV or drone integration further enhances monitoring ability. From the air, these ships can detect illegal fishing swarms, unregistered maritime fleets, oil spill regions, or suspicious slow-moving cargo vessels. With drones and helicopters, the Krabi-class becomes not just a floating gun platform but a command center for layered maritime awareness. The operational record of the Krabi-class provides real-world insight into their usefulness. The ships have played key roles in anti-illegal fishing enforcement campaigns in the Gulf of Thailand and Andaman Sea. Thai waters are frequently violated by fishing fleets from neighboring countries seeking access to Thailand's rich marine life zones. Illegal fishing fleets can strip the ocean of long-term biological sustainability, and thus Thailand employs ships like the Krabi-class to intercept, inspect, and detain vessels involved in unauthorized maritime extraction. The OPVs have also participated in anti-smuggling and anti-drug enforcement. Thailand's maritime routes are sometimes exploited for drug trafficking and contraband movement, and the Krabi-class helps secure maritime borders against these illegal activities. These ships are often deployed in joint operations with Thai Marine Police, Customs, and international naval partnerships. During humanitarian or emergency operations, the Krabi-class can provide essential support. Whether responding to collapsed fishing vessels, natural disasters at sea, or providing transport and rescue for stranded crews, the ship's endurance and deck space enable flexible emergency deployment. Their role in search and rescue operations illustrates how modern OPVs transcend pure military functionality. They serve as instruments of national governance, human safety, and maritime stewardship. The creation of the Krabi-class also has diplomatic implications. The ships represent Thailand's naval modernization initiative, and their existence signals Thailand's readiness to collaborate with regional partners. These ships have participated in ASEAN naval exercises, multilateral drills, and goodwill port visits. Their presence showcases Thai naval professionalism and indigenous capability. When foreign navies visit Thailand and see these ships, they do not merely observe a patrol vessel but a symbol of Thai industrial maturity and maritime capacity. Technologically, the Krabi-class demonstrates that a navy does not need heavy frigates or destroyers to remain effective. In the context of Thailand's maritime security needs, a fleet of OPVs provides better area coverage and cost efficiency. They are less expensive to maintain and operate than frigates, consume less fuel, require smaller crews, and are more suitable for persistent maritime presence. A frigate may be more combat capable, but it is overkill for chasing illegal fishing boats or escorting humanitarian relief. The Krabi-class provides an optimal balance between cost, endurance, capability, and mission coverage. The decision to build the Krabi-class locally must be emphasized as a strategically transformational choice. When Thailand builds its ships domestically, it acquires more than hull materials, it acquires knowledge. Hull construction, electronics integration, weapon mounting, radar calibration, and deck engineering all become part of Thai industrial knowledge. Over decades, this knowledge accumulates. After OPVs, Thailand may build corvettes, then frigates, perhaps eventually submarines or aircraft carriers with increased indigenous contribution. Each ship built at home reduces reliance on foreign supply chains and external bureaucracy. A nation with domestic shipbuilding can repair its ships even during diplomatic disruptions or military conflict. It can also upgrade and retrofit vessels without foreign permission or inspection. The crew experience aboard the Krabi-class is shaped by both operational function and comfort. Because these ships spend long periods at sea, interior living conditions must be reasonably accommodating. Crew quarters, galley facilities, medical areas, operation rooms, communication centers, and command spaces are designed for extended mission endurance. Morale and performance are linked. A fatigued crew on an uncomfortable vessel is less capable of maintaining vigilance than a rested, well-supported one. The Krabi-class provides internal design that balances function and habitability. From a tactical perspective, the Krabi-class is not meant to stand in direct naval combat against heavily armed surface combatants. If confronted with a modern missile frigate, the Krabi-class would be tactically outmatched. But its strength is in operational environment selection. It operates